Hello YouTube family and welcome back to my channel for another unboxing, review and test. Crivit bike computer. So let's open the box to find out more about this product and how we can use it. Manuals. Zip ties. 6. And here we have the computer. 2 buttons, set and mode button, and you need CR2032 battery. Already installed. Same in here. Just pull to activate the battery. This is for the sensor. The sensor is communicating with the main unit. You need to install that at the wheel of your bike. This is the base for the main unit. We have this soft pad. You can install that at your handlebar. Use 2 zip ties. And this one goes here at the sensor. And that is the magnet. You need to install that at one of the wheel spokes. So let's pull to activate and the main unit. English, with the set button you can choose different languages. Set OK. Next, advance. Easy, advance. Set button, OK. OK. Set wheel size. Mine it is 27 inch, so 2155 it is the code. If you want, you can choose different numbers with the mode button. For me, 2155. Set OK. Set kilometer, mile, kilometer. OK. Set age. Set 30, 40, set OK. Set kg. Or libras, kg. Set OK. Set WT. You can set in here. Set clock 12 or 24 hours. 24 hours. You can set the clock. Set. Set OK. Date form. Day, month, year. Set. Date you can set. Set. Month. Day. Press and hold. Let's see, it will go faster. No, I need to press all the time. Set. Service 600. Okay. Light Off or on, set. Light on, set the time. Set. It is on, the backlight. And off. When it will turn off. ETA distance, you can set on that. ETA mode, clock, time, set OK. Set Celsius or Fahrenheit. Set OK. Settings, close, perfect. And we are done. With the set button you can see the kilometers and the date, clock, and the mode button, some informations. And we have the temperature. Stopwatch, set, calories rate, ETA start, kilometer plus, time. So many informations at this little device. So let's move on for installation. I really like how easy it is to install, how clear the display is while writing, and how useful the write data is without being overcomplicated. If you are a casual cyclist or a commuter who just wants to track their progress without spending 150 euros on a GPS head unit, this is an excellent option. It's rugged, the battery lasts for ages, and it provides all the information you need: your speed, distance, time, and more. It proves that you don't need a complicated setup to start achieving your fitness goals. It just works, so you can focus on the road ahead. If you found this video helpful, please like it, subscribe, and turn on the notification bell to receive updates on cycling gear, gadgets, and everyday tech reviews. Thanks for watching, ride safely, track your progress, and I'll see you in the next one.